Hello everybody, welcome back to the Pay the Pool Man YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a deep dive into the expenses tab on the Pay the Pool Man dashboard. Let's go ahead and navigate down here to expenses and click expense dashboard. And this is going to be a very straightforward way to look at the summary of all of your expenses. Here we have the expenses from the last 6 months as compared to the current year, and then the previous year is going to be in gray. Here we have the option to add a goal completion, so we can add a goal here and it's going to show you the total amount of what you've done so far to complete it. We can also add a goal for sales or, for example, a expense goal for the current year. Down here we have the total revenue of what's been billed so far, the total expenses, total profit for the company, and then what percentage of that goal you've completed. Down here we have our top 6 expenses. So they're going to be broken down by color, and then down here you'll have the number amount, and then these are recently added expenses. Down here we have the expense list. This is going to be where you're going to be able to add an expense by clicking the blue Add Expense button. We have a video going over this in more depth, and you can click on that to watch over on our YouTube channel. You can also add your bank account. By linking your bank account, you'll be able to see bank transactions. Down here we have the ability to add an expense. This is going to be where you'll fill out your date, vendor, the amount, and category. Under the vendor category, you'll have the option to add a new vendor. Here you can add a new category. And please be careful when creating these because they're not able to be deleted. This is where you're going to help organize your expenses in a way that's going to help you find what you need quicker. You can even add images or notes in this section. Under Quick Receipts, you'll have the option to add any receipts that you've received as a company that need to be tracked. So instead of having a bunch of paper, you'll just have them right here digitally. Go ahead and click Add Receipt. You can label it and then add a photo of the receipt, and you can add that receipt and be done. And then you're good to go. You'll have a digital version of that as a final copy, and you can always delete it here or edit the receipt. Next, we have our income expense goals. This is going to be where you're going to add those goals you have for your company. So you can click Add Goal, what type it is, if this is a service or expense, and then what year we're in, and then the amount that you're going to try to reach down here once we have bank management. Down here we have bank management. This is going to be where you can also link your bank account. And lastly, vendors. This is where we can add the vendors that you use for your company. So this could be something like a credit card processor or a store that you regularly go to. You can add the vendor here, type in the name, category, and any information you might need, and then add them as a vendor. And all those vendors along with the total expenses you spent are going to be calculated right here at any time. You can go in and edit right here or delete the vendor. And that's going to be all for this video. Thank you for watching. We are committed to giving business owners back their personal lives through our highly efficient professional software and caring support team. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content, and we will see you in the next video.